Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you what you can make from a washing machine drum. Place the drum on the ground, and around it you need to make a marking that's wider, about 5 centimeters from its edge. Now, according to the marking, you need to dig a hole as deep as the height of the drum. Clean everything thoroughly and place the drum into the hole. Next we will need clay. We collect it in a bucket and pour water over it. Mix the clay well and then pour the mixture around the drum. After drying, the clay becomes as hard as stone. Now we cover it with soil. We tamp everything down well. I cut a circle out of metal, welded a handle and 3 rods to the edges. This will be the lid. The fruits are inserted into the holes in the drum so that it doesn't move anywhere. Now let's test the homemade device. We put paper with firewood into the drum and light the fire. We wait for the firewood to burn out completely. In the meantime, we wrap the marinated chicken in foil. When only the embers are left, we put the chicken into the drum and then close the lid. As you understood, this turned out to be a kind of tandoor, which works on the principle of an oven. With this homemade device, the food turns out much tastier than in the oven. The meat is softer and has a smoky aroma. A small chicken was cooked in about 40 minutes, but it all depends on how much heat there is in the drum. The homemade device turned out great. It's not hard to make, and I think everyone who has a summer house or a country home will like it. If you liked this video, give it a like, leave a comment, be sure to share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks for watching, goodbye.